Hello everyone, I am Alisha Paliwala, a student of Jaipuria Institute of Management, Jaipur, pursuing my PGDM in Human Resources and Marketing. And I am really glad that I got this wonderful opportunity to work with DCB Bank as an HR intern, working directly under the supervision of Regional Head HR, Ma'am Varsha Dhakar. So DCB Bank, popularly known as Development Credit Bank, is a scheduled commercial bank which is regulated by the Reserve Bank of India. It has its deep root in India since its inception in 1930s, which is even before independence. So it has a customer base of over 9,50,000, one of which was employee satisfaction, which is also my report topic. I chose this topic because during the internship, it was a work from office internship. So I was in a regular contact with all the 400 employees working in DCB all over Rajasthan. And while interacting with them, I realized the importance of their satisfaction and how the satisfaction varies from each employee. There are so many factors that were affecting the satisfaction of the employees apart from monetary compensation. So I decided to understand and go in depth of that topic. So while talking to them, I noticed one more thing about the organization, that was its culture. It was really beautiful. The environment was like a family. They felt like they are working in a family and they were helping each other. There was a attitude of empathy, there were a attitude of cooperation, and the environment was full of love. So this is what made me realize that how important culture is in any organization. I think the most three important skills that helped me a lot during my internship were effective communication, empathy, and problem-solving attitude, which I would also like to emulate from my industry mentor, Ma'am Varsha Dhakar. Apart from that, it was an overall good experience. I got exposure in various different HR functions like employee attrition, employee engagement, employee retention, and talent acquisition, and so much more, which will definitely help me a lot in the final placements. I guess having patience, self-confidence, and clarity of thoughts in the passion in which field you have to go is the most important things.